4 flat tires off road.
What are you doing, Big Shug?
Well, changing the axles out, bub.
Changing the axle. Where are you at?
I gotta take this off.
The axle nut?
And guess what? This is the only one I got big. See, look how big that is.
Don't fit.
Close.
So you already
Man,
got.
I think you could.
You got the caliper out, the two on the back side, zip tied out of the way. You got the shock off.
Mm-hmm.
Got the tie rod off.
Whoompa.
You got the bottom ball joint out.
Yep.
So all we got to do is get that axle nut off, and then we're going to try to take out these 4-year-old axles.
They'll pop right out.
Not the day.
I'm debating if I gotta go poop again before we go.
Speaking of pooping, we might have merch coming out pretty soon that alludes to pooping. But
So now what we do?
so we're either gonna get another strap and get it behind the edge of that cup.
And then do what with it?
Same thing. Use this hammer. And, does that make sense? So the strap is pulling. So get another ratchet strap.
Ha! Say that.
Well, trying to pull out 4-year-old axles. And that's what happens.
Talk about it.
Yeah, just
Well, Bubba.
maybe I should.
Yeah, maybe you should. I don't know how you were doing that. I don't like that. It hurts my shoulder. I know I look like a fucking flamboyant guy doing it.
I cannot have this conversation right now.
Ooh, bud.
All right, YouTube. Welcome back. We had to stop because we could not get the axle out. 4-year-old axle. We put a strap on it, was tugging and jerking and hitting it with a dead blow hammer. So we had to order the proper tool. Super ATV axle puller, came in clutch.
Yeah.
Big Shug put, what'd you say, 3 tugs on it?
Yeah.
3 tugs on it and it popped right out because
Right in the lap, got me all greased up.
that's what happened. There's a new one. Rhino 2.0 is going into Becky all the way around before the Hatfield trip. Big Shug's got the. We can't use 2 morons garage. 2 dipshits garage.
Yeah, then you got us.
He's got the big fan. He's got his little fan.
Hot, bro. Look hot. I mean, it's almost like balsa wood and rubber. How much do you want to put on there?
Slides.
I am. Think it's good enough?
Yeah.
She just pop right in there.
It's all over the shirt.
You'll be all right. Does it have to be a certain way, huh?
No. There, see? That's it.
Yell at me again.
Stop yelling at me!
He's always saying that. Am I yelling?
No, I mean, I'm new at this.
Sorry, I'm new.
Now we gotta take this off. Right?
Reverse process.
Well, that was a week ago. I forgot what I did yesterday. This is holding me up. Give me back. Ow. Oh, sorry. Hey! Woo! What this? On the calendar operation. Yeah. It was in that little sleeve right there.
We got a new hat. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, check her out. What they say? They say anything about it?
Who say anything about it?
Oh, Bella. I just had it on. Well, fine, be a jerk. Come on, Sally. Well, I need to tighten that. That's good enough. Good enough. All right. Hold up! You forced it. Hold up, you gotta lower down. I got the bottom. What? Something's holding. I can't fit it back. There we go. Alright. Where that bolt is. I'm gonna put it. Is it up here? It should stay right there. You should have it's a long bolt. Oh, that's not going to be tight enough. No, that's got to be 180 foot-pounds. Yeah. Let me tell you, Chester copper pipe, knock it out. What, I gotta put that sway bar back on. Yeah, that's why. That's gotta be about 130. Now look, lined up perfect. How does it look, bub? Looks like a couple dudes. You hear that, man? Hello? Hello? Are you gonna kneel down at all and get dirty? No. You're that up there. I feel like I was driving the whole unit across the floor. These bolts suck, they're all boogered up. I don't know how much tighter I can get it. Pipe number 10. I'm gonna try it again. This thing's a piece of shit.
We got an update, 2 down. So we found it to be fairly easy. The Super ATV axle puller, the bolts will get crooked and start to gall up pretty bad.
Mm-hmm.
But if you hit that ring, you really got to concentrate and put the bolts from the puller into that little groove, and then you really got to make sure that that cup is not crooked, cockeyed, tilted. Adrenaline Junkie did a video on it fairly recently, and he said you want to make sure you find that floating spot of the cup, and that's pretty accurate. If you're struggling because you got it angled or cockeyed or wonky, then slow down, find where the cup is floating in the middle, and then give it a couple 3 to 5 taps and she'll come out. Right?
Yeah. Yeah. You gotta have patience. I don't have it.
What?
You gotta have patience.
All we need is just a little patience.
I don't have them.
Who?
Me. Got it all.
Alright, we'll be back.
Hold up, man. I got something to shoot.
Alright, so we got an update. We had to stop and break that up because look at there. Nothing in the garage. There she sits. We finished.
They don't even know about the wheel bearings yet.
No. So Big Shug's got Rhino 2.0 all the way around. We broke up the filming because the fronts were fairly easy, but the backs, the wheel bearings were frozen in the bearing carrier. So one of them we took up to the power shop because to ask us see if they had the bearings in stock, and they did. So we got 2. They put one in because we were able to get the bearing carrier out off the machine, but the other one took us a solid, this side took us a solid what, 2 hours just to get the bearing carrier off.
Probably.
And then where's that? There it is.
Can't get a wheel bearing out. We got it out. Whittled on her. See there?
So we had to grind and cut
And heat her up.
and beat and heat and beat and cuss. And we got stickers. We got new stickers.
Yeah, buddy.
So we got it, but not the recommended way, but we did it. And of course we made a mess. We rotated the tires. What else did we do with this unit? We did all kinds of junk. Getting ready to go to Hatfield and McCoy in 2 weeks, so Big Shug was worried about his axles, so because the front ones were really clicking and popping, and you could tell they were holding on for dear life.